I found Amherst Alarm through the builder that I started building my house with. I've also seen them at the home show, and they're well respected in the community. I was looking to do a whole home automation system, lighting, TV, sound, and also theater system, along with the alarm and central vac. I think Amherst Alarm has done a great job. They've been communicative every step of the way. They've really addressed any issues and concerns I've had throughout the process, and I think the system's come out great. Favorite feature has to be the Control 4 lighting. It's just amazing things you can do with being able to turn on and off lights at home from your iPhone or the Control 4 system, or even the way being able to control the garages and lighting. It's a really great feature. Yeah, I think going into it, it's probably everything I had hoped for and more. I guess at the beginning I didn't really understand the need for the lighting was probably a good one, and that ended up being one of my favorite things. The process was great, and I'd be happy to refer people to Amherst.